Sistoso?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please sit down, Mr. Sistoso.
Thank you, sir.
So you are the second one to be interviewed today. I hope you can you are ready.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how are you, Mr. Sistoso?
I'm doing good, sir.
Okay. I hope you already eaten your breakfast, because I think we will have a long time interview today.
Yes, sir.
So Mr. Sistoso, can you please tell me about yourself?
Thank you for this opportunity, sir. I am Jomel Nieres Sistoso, live from Buluon, Cebu. Youngest of my siblings. I'm 22 years of age. I graduated vocational as a welder near my place, and I have experience as a welder fitter in Tunisi, Balamban, Cebu, sir.
Okay, that is a great experience you had.
Yes, sir.
I know that you are new to this industry, but you, according here to your resume, you have an experience at Tunisi, Balamban, Cebu.
Yes, sir.
So you have a previous job, but you are not working now.
Yes, sir. I'm living here.
Okay. So do you have your documents on hand?
Yes, sir. I have my documents.
Okay, so all of your documents is in your hand, not in your previous company.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why do you want to become a seafarer?
I want to become a seafarer because in that career, I see my passion and I comfortable, happy, and challenged to do my job, and I would like to broaden my skills and knowledge to it.
Okay, that's great. So what is your strength and weaknesses, Mr. Sistoso?
My biggest strength is to lead during challenges, to create new ideas, and to get my work better. And my biggest weakness is I find it difficult to say no to people, especially to my family and superior, sir.
Okay, that is a good answer. So what motivates you to become a seafarer?
To my dreams, goals, and to help my family, sir, get a higher salary, sir.
Okay, yeah, that's of course. We need a high salary.
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Sistoso, what will you do in a situation that you fail?
When the situation I fail, I will stay calm and think mind that it is lesson learned to my future, sir.
Okay, so you will only stay calm.
Yes, sir.
You will not punch somebody or shout or something like
no,
that.
Sir.
Okay, that is good. So, Mr. Sistoso, why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I bring energy and strong ethic to learn and adapt, which will help me and value to your organization, sir.
Okay, that's good. So, how do you know about our company?
I know your company as a social media and your page open hiring as of Peter, and I send my resume in your link.
Yeah, yes, I know. So you only know us in social media.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any friend or relatives that working in here?
I don't have, sir.
Okay. So do you have any questions for us, Mr. Sistoso?
Thank you for that wonderful question, sir. I have one question for you.
Okay.
If I'm lucky today, what advice you give me to finish my cadetship program smoothly?
Oh, that's a good question. So since we are hiring really a cadet, and we are planning to buy some more ships in the next year, so we need more fitters. So I will advise you to focus on your training, follow your superiors, and really observe safety and observe what your higher fitter do, so that after this cadetship you can work as an fitter, not a cadet.
Yes,
Because we really need a cadet, so you should only stay focused, stay safe, finish your contract, and learn.
yes, sir.
That's all I can advise to you, Mr. Sistoso. So,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sistoso, according here to your resume, you working in the Tunisia.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me more about this company? What are you doing there?
Tunisia is a company from Japan and work in Cebu, Balamban. And I work as a fitter welder in a company in almost 2 years, sir.
So, why did you left Tunisia?
Because I look forward for my future and find new job to get big salary, sir.
Oh, that's a great plan for your future. So, I assume that you are exposed and know more about welding in your previous company. So, can I ask you what tools are commonly used by fitters and during your job?
The commonly used by fitters in my previous job is, first of all, welding machine, IFCA and SMAW, oxyacetylene set, hammer, chipper, steel tape, sir.
Yeah, that's that tool. So, can you explain to me what is that? This SMAW and oxyacetylene. Can you one by one explain?
SMAW welding is shielded metal arc welding, and IFCA flux cord arc welding, and oxyacetylene gas is to use cutting hard materials like metals and to hit metal, sir.
Okay. So, in your previous job in Tunisia, you are really making brand new ships, right?
Yes, sir.
So, what type of welding you are using to weld a ship hull?
The ship hull, the type of welding we use is IFCA welding, sir.
Okay. So, that's a good experience you have. So, what is your daily routine in your job?
My daily routine is in morning 7 a.m. We have toolbox and exercise, and 8 a.m. Work and go on assigned area, and by 12 noon break lunch, and 1 a.m. back to assigned area, and 5 a.m. 5 p.m. Off of work, and sometimes we have overtime, especially when the block or work order is urgent, sir.
Oh, so you are also exposed on overtime.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's good. So, you are also willing to do overtime in a ship if you are really needed in that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is good. So, yeah, I know that Tunisia is a good company, and I know they are also focused on safety. So, what do you know about safety, Mr. Sistoso?
Safety is a comprehensive set designed to protect life, property, and environment, sir.
Okay, that's good. So, how do you ensure safety of yourself and your colleagues while working, Mr. Sistoso?
I ensure to my safety and my colleagues to wear complete PPE and check the surroundings if there is no harmful materials, and check the machines if it is okay to use, and if there is a colleagues near you, tell that wear the complete PPE, and check if it is fire extinguisher near your workplace, and get hot work permit if it is required, sir.
Yeah, that is really important. And most important, Mr. Sistoso, if you are on board, do not do welding if you don't have a fire watch.
Yes, sir.
Because fire watch is required, and you do not be a hero. If the management will not give you a fire watch, then do not start the job.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Mr. Sistoso, you bring here today your documents.
Yes, sir.
That's all
Yes,
documents
sir.
you have
Yes,
on hand.
all your
So you already have the trainings.
Yes, sir. I have a passport and seaman's book and certificate of training, sir.
Okay, that is great, Mr. Sestoso. So I will end our initial interview today. I will evaluate your capacity, and I will interview you once again next week for a final interview that is all technical, and I will advise you to study technical situations about your position applied.
Yes, sir.
So I will end today. So thank you very much for your time, and see you next week, Mr. Sistoso.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.